Even when the conversation was going well, I always had a fatal flaw, and that was my eye contact. Imagine if every single time I recorded a video I was looking here whilst I was talking to the camera. It's so annoying for the person watching the video. And it always made the conversation, even if it was going well, less interesting. I noticed their engagement was leaving the conversation. They started paying attention less. It was because of my eye contact. And I know it may seem like a lot. I mean, it's only where your eyes are. It can't be that big of a deal, right? I mean, I'm still saying the same words. What does it matter if I'm looking here or I'm looking here? It matters so incredibly much. And the reason as to why is because eye contact is genuinely the most attractive trait. If you're trying to flirt with a woman, you will notice, if you make more eye contact, that she will be so much encapsulated with you. It is one of the most necessary and fundamental tenets of flirting. If you want to attract women and you can't hold eye contact with them, you will notice that your dating life will take such a huge plummet. You need to learn eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most respectable traits. It shows your dominance and emphasizes your confidence. I remember at one point, I was going to buy some pizza, and at the shop where that person, like the guy, he was handing me the pizza, he looked at me directly in the eyes whilst he was handing it to me, and I was stunned. What? Because at this point, I hadn't practiced my eye contact, but it was so surprising to me. Like, no one does that. Normally, when someone is handing something, they'd like look at what they're handing and pass it over like that. For this person, imagine you ask me, oh yeah, Prince, can you give me a pen? And instead of looking at the pen and then giving it to you, I look at you directly, I get the pen, and with a smile, I give it to you. That's so much different, and you obviously can't notice it right now. This is like a video recording. In real life, you'll notice the effects of it are so drastic. It shows your interest so much. I'm telling you, eye contact is so sexy for women, and it shows so much respect and confidence. After that guy did that, bro, I was genuinely stunned. I respected him a lot, and in a way, I was kind of intimidated. Whoa, that's a lot of eye contact. I'm surprised. I don't really know how to go about this. I'm not that good yet. So I was thinking about it for a little bit. And of course, if you know anything about women, the more they think of you, the better it is for their attraction towards you. So that's common sense. Eye contact is one of the most brilliant things that you can learn, and it's so easy to learn. So how do you actually improve your eye contact, this skill that can completely change your social life? Here's the thing. Humans are extremely forgetful. So you'll watch this video and you'll agree with me. Oh yeah, eye contact is important. I need to learn my eye contact. I'll improve it. This is what I should do. And you'll understand that it's what you should do, and you'll actually want to learn it, right? But after this video, you'll go about your day. You'll start talking to people, this guy, your friends, and you'll start forgetting eye contact. You won't do it. You'll be talking to them, and just out of habit, like it may not even be fear. I did it out of habit. I just wasn't used to really making much eye contact, even with friends. So out of habit, you'll be talking to them and then you'll look away, or you'll be talking to them and just you kind of like dawdle off, or maybe you're walking side by side, and of course if you're walking you don't want to be facing this way, you need to look where you're going, obviously. But also, if you keep doing something repeatedly, your body gets more and more used to it. So you need to cut this off as soon as possible. There's no waiting for it. You need to do this now. So listen up, this is very important. If you don't fix this now, it's going to become like 10 times harder in the future. It's only getting harder for you. So you have to fix this now. Cut it whilst it's still small. And once you do that, you can genuinely start improving with your dating life, with your social life, and make friends. Since you do this out of habit, and since we are forgetful, all you need to do is have some sort of system in place to remember it. If you can remember it, you'll be able to actually do it, because it's not like you're scared to make eye contact, I hope. If you are, you just need to kind of improve your confidence, and they have tons of videos on that. You can also check the top link in the description, more on that later in the video. But since you're just going to forget it, just remember it. Literally change your phone wallpaper right now to some like just the text eye contact. So then whenever you, for example, are on your phone, oh yeah, what's the time? You look at it and you're like, oh yeah, I forgot I changed my wallpaper from all of these like colorful colors to just a black screen with the word eye contact. Okay, yeah. Next time I'm talking to someone, I'll make more eye contact. And of course that'll help so much more with your confidence, and it'll make you remember, oh yeah, I'm this guy who's trying to improve my social skills. I'm trying to use eye contact. This is great. I'll remember it. So then you pull out your phone, oh yeah, eye contact. And then someone talks to you, oh yeah, how's it going, John? Because your name is John. But they'll be like, oh yeah, hi, John. And you'll be making eye contact. Oh yeah, how's it going, bro? And you'll dap them up and you're making eye contact the entire time. And once you do it enough, it'll become a habit, so you won't need to remember it anymore. You're basically just reverse engineering how you build bad habits. Think about it like this. When you relapse on a bad habit, maybe you're trying to stop video games, right? You're trying to stop video games, and then every now and then you'll relapse, you'll play them again. Why does that happen? Well, when you do it, it's not like you're thinking, wait a second, I said to myself, I won't play video games anymore. Let me just click off. Boom. No. What happens is that thought isn't even in your mind. You forget it. You're like a robot now. You're like a fiend. Oh, video games. You know, I haven't played in so long. I want to play video games. The thought of not playing them doesn't even occur to you. So you need to keep it in your mind more. Like silently repeat it to yourself. Oh yeah, I'm the type of guy who doesn't play video games. I'm not playing video games now. You need to keep repeating it so you don't forget. And the same works with remembering to do a good habit. You need to keep remembering. So remember to actually do this. And then once you do that, bro, I'm telling you, you'll notice the benefits immediately. Every conversation you have, you'll notice, you'll literally look at their eyes and you'll notice, whoa, they are so much more engaged. I'm not even saying anything different. The things I'm saying are the exact same. And they are so much more engaged. You'll be talking to a girl, if you do talk to girls. If you don't, again, social protocol, check the top link in the description. You'll be talking to a girl and you'll notice, whoa, she's looking at me like with so much more passion and desire. And I'm not doing anything different besides eye contact. This really does work. And once you notice how much that helps you forever, then you can finally check out the top link in the description. The social protocol, it'll get you to become more social. You'll learn to talk to people for the first time in your life properly, where you couldn't talk to anyone. And then from there, you'll obviously learn skills to get even better, like this, eye contact. So once you can talk to people, not only are you good at it, but then you can start learning to talk to girls. You can improve your social life. You can make friends who you genuinely respect. Check that out. It's a community of like-minded men. You can meet up with them. It's crazy. I'll see you in there. More information on the sales page. Top link in the description. Check that out. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye-bye.